If you have a student who has complex communication needs or an assistive technology device or augmentative communication, then this training is for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Cherie Dodge Chin, and I am a speech pathologist and assistive technology specialist. And my area of specialty is working with families, educators, and students to help provide them with the communication that they need in order to not only get their needs met, but in order to thrive as someone with a communication that they need to get across. So what we're going to be doing is going through our educator training workbook in this series of videos. You can take things in any order that you want. I do recommend the order that I've placed them in the workbook, but that's up to you guys. And what you're going to be learning is all about communication, all about what you are, which is a communication partner, about ways to help all students who struggle with significant language disorders, and then about how to use technology to help your student be the very best that they can be. We all know that communication is absolutely essential for all education. You're not going to learn how to read, write, get by in the community, have social relationships, or any of the things that we typically think about when we think about education without an underlying method to communicate. So grab your workbook. Let's get ready.